like Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother.
Hi stars, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm just going to do a speed build. So today I will be speed building the second floor of the bakery update. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the video, and I will be talking a little bit during the video. So yeah, today I'm not doing like a roleplay or something like that, because like I'm about to head to ballet class in a few minutes. So that's why I didn't had a lot of time to do like a long full role play. So I just decided to do like a quick and cute speed build. And by the way guys, as all of my speed builds, this build is totally free to copy. So if you like the build and you want to copy it, you can just copy it for free. I don't want any credit for that. And yeah, by the way guys, comment down below what's your like hobby. Are you doing any sport? And if you're doing any sport, then what's the sport that you're doing? Oh my gosh, I'm so bad at talking English today, sorry. Yeah. And by the way guys, also, what's your favorite color? My color is definitely pink. My favorite color. Oh my gosh, I'm so stupid today. I just can't talk English anymore. Like, oh my gosh, I just talked way too much German today. Yeah, anyways, so what was I about to say? Never mind. Okay, just enjoy the rest of the video, and I'm going to say something again in the end of the video. Okay, so we are almost done building, and I'm just going to put a little more decorations there, and yeah, then the video is almost finished. And yeah, I think if I'm done building this, I'm just going to give you a quick tour. And yeah, if you want more speed builds, then just comment that down below, because I don't know what to post. So just tell me what you want to see. So yeah, that was it for today's video. If you liked the video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in my next video again. Bye, stars!
It's for friends who do stuff together. You is for you and me. And